Welcome to Mobi City, your one-stop hub for accessories, sales, and services. Screen guards, tempered glass, scratch protectors, stylish imported back cases, camera lens accessories, Apple Watch and Samsung Watch accessories, all available. From Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, MI, all brands, all models, all accessories, selfie sticks, gimbals, camera stands, car holders, travel-ready accessories, all in one place. Expert mobile and tablet repairs, done right. Apple and Android service. Genuine display, battery, touch, and back glass replacement.
Mobi City. Everything your device needs under one roof.